Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Pull the panel to remove it. Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener. Pull back the trunk lining to gain access. Remove the bolts by turning them counterclockwise. Remove the panel. Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener. Lift the panel to remove it. Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Push the tab, pull the connector, and then this wiring harness is still attached here, so you can kind of just pull that off.
Reconnect the bulb housing. Make sure that any wires that have become disconnected are replaced.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Replace the upper panel. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place. Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.
It's a good idea to hand tighten the bolts before securing them to the vehicle.
Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place. Align the panel with the body before securing it to the vehicle. It's important to make sure it's set properly, otherwise it won't attach correctly. Replace the bolts by turning them clockwise.